We'll help you on how to add an accumulation distribution free trading indicator in MetaTrader mobile.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Open up a ticker symbol in MetaTrader mobile by clicking chart. Once here, you want to go to the middle hand screen and click F, and then go to the right and click the plus icon. Underneath here, you want to scroll down. Underneath oscillators, keep going down. Underneath volumes, click the first option, accumulation/distribution. As you can see, we have different options to change the accumulation distribution for every tick. We can add or subtract different levels, and we can even add this on all time frames. As you can see, it's all selected and highlighted or color blue. You can even change the style if you would like, or the different color of this free trading indicator, and then click done. You have now successfully added the accumulation distribution free MetaTrader mobile indicator completely for free.